Alright, where am I?
This is a Minecraft mod that adds emerald armor.
And this is an insanely epic castle.
And I tried to earthquake his arcane and I land 3 stone edges in a row. Welcome to my Project Zomboid Let's Play. Welcome to episode 1 of my Minecraft Let's Play. I try to do a video every day, but every other day is pretty much my minimum. If this video gets 1 million views, I'll be happy. I just hit 50,000 video views on YouTube.
Don't mention it. That's alright by me.
I personally love seeing those comments, and they make my day every time I read one. If you take a look at this picture, this will help you kind of understand where I'm getting my numbers from. This is my 100th video special. I've been uploading to YouTube for about 2 years now, and this video is actually going to be a little bit different because the YouTuber I'm talking about. Today we're going to be talking about YouTube. I hit 1,500 subs, which is just a crazy number. I decided since I'm one of the top Magecraft players, I'd do a YouTube video or two. Hey you. Yeah, you. You want to learn how to get more views on your YouTube videos? In this paper, I'm going to be doing the sell. So let's go ahead and open up Google real quick. I have 2,000 subscribers, even though, you know, it kind of took like 4 years to get. Welcome to another very original YouTube channel. And I realized just how unaware people are of how big the YouTube industry is. How does this video have 9 views but 52 comments? Do you think you're a good commentator on YouTube? Do you want to win $50? Do you just want really easy exposure? 10 years from now, if these YouTubers grow at the same rate, PewDiePie will have 117 million subscribers. It's simple. Be different. Don't do what everyone else is doing. 3,000 subscribers! That is how much PewDiePie makes. So I'll just show you guys my setup real quick. So the first thing I'll show you is this weight bench, even though I don't use it. So we hit 4,000 subscribers.
So what are you waiting for? Subscribe!
This is actually really cheap. I mean, this is $5. There's no doubt that keeping a consistent upload schedule with YouTube is very time consuming. And it's funny to me how I've gotten 350,000 views over the past 30 days, but only gained 30 Twitter followers. No joke, if you go across all my videos, you'll see dozens of comments saying, Mr. you sound like Ian from Smosh. Today we're gonna be talking about YouTube money. I know everyone on YouTube hates that, but I don't really understand why. You need money to survive, you need money to buy things. When I made this channel, I named it Mr. 6000. I honestly have no idea where I got that from. So pretty much, I just spent all day taking a prep course for SATs. What's up guys? I'm going to the beach tomorrow, and I'm gonna be at the beach all week, so I gotta make 7 videos today. I thought of talking about Crohn's disease because it's something I have, obviously, or wouldn't be talking about it. If I'm not actually at 5K subs when you see this, that means you guys didn't pull through for me. This PC right beside me is a beast when it comes to YouTube, okay? I didn't upload a video yesterday because I had school and a baseball game that was really far away. My 10,000 subscriber special video was just ruined yesterday. Why would you ever watch video games online? He says it's a complete waste of time. 7,000 subscribers, that is a ton of people. So I'm pretty sure you're not dyslexic and already read the title and you know exactly what this video is about. I recently hit 2 million views. 1,643 people have over 1 million subscribers. Today we're going to be talking about how to get active subscribers. I'm giving someone who follows me a $15 gift card. I just hit 20,000 subscribers. I currently have 20,000 and I plan to have 100,000 in a year. I'm making this video right now and I have 8K subs. Hopefully in 6 months I don't still have 8K subs. Thank you guys for 50K. You know, I still remember when I hit 1,000 subscribers. It was actually this corner right here. This channel, believe it or not, used to be a Minecraft channel. So today we're gonna be blowing up this 2 more, 1 more. I got it. Yes, yesterday I was in a good mood, so I bought my brother a laptop. It's hard to breathe. Yesterday I realized I'm 18 years old, which means I can buy scratch-off tickets. Hey future me, it's been a year, so I hope you have at least 50K subs. That seems kind of high. I'm about to count to 100,000.
199,999. 200,000.
It's about $10,000. I'm not joking.
The record, and here's the worst of it.
Mr. Beast, yo! No way!
How much you've ever gotten? Alright, well, I want to be your number one. Are you serious?
In 2 years, I hope you have at least 100k subs. If you don't have 100k subs, I'm gonna disown you. I'm going to be attempting to set the world record for the longest Uber ride ever.
I wanted to give you a check to help you pay for it.
In the words of our great PewDiePie, we should respect Whammon.
Here's the new car.
Bye, America!
Roar! Mr. Dinosaur here.
5 million subscribers! You're the 6 million subscriber? Orange juice! That better be orange juice!
Shut up.
One last thing, you guys know I just hit 7 million subscribers. Celebrating 8 million subscribers by giving him $8. $8. This is the circle. Both feet leave, you're out. I spent $50,000 on scratch-off tickets. We hit 10 million subscribers. They can't actually arrest me for not uploading. Today we're gonna be eating the most expensive and bizarre food. We did it! I can't believe we did it! And now we're on the bus and we're gonna head downtown and scare some people. You guys will be playing a game of Battleship, but if you destroy a ship in the game, we blow up one of the real ships over there.
Slab City is that way a little bit more.
We have 4 treadmills and 4 contestants. Last one to step off the treadmill will get $1,000 for every mile they run. We created the largest game of dodgeball ever. And there's a sniper in a truck looking at me.
So me and the boys are gonna spend 24 hours in a rainforest.
We are about to go through this drive-through 1,000 times in a row.
Today, we will be planting 20 million trees. We're gonna prank our cameraman. Hey, tree. Last one of you to take your hand off this $1 million stack of cash keeps it. The last one of you found gets $60,000. Anything you can fit in this circle, I'll pay for. Really? Really.
Has 240 people in one day, non-stop.
I am going to spend the next 50 hours alone in solitary confinement. Good luck.
I'm scared.
This is the most expensive firework in the entire world, and it cost me over $160,000. Yield! We have doggos. Go adopt them. I bought this entire island, and the last one of you to leave this island keeps it. In this video, I will be giving 1 million subscribers to one of these 4 small YouTubers. If I don't have 1 million subscribers when you see this video, my entire life has been a failure. I hope I have 1 million subs. I better have 1 million subscribers when you guys see this. Money for you, you better come get a beast burger. Boys, can you hear me?
Yes, over.
Bury me alive. I tied up an FBI agent. If he steals this $100,000 from me before midnight, he keeps it. I recreated every single set from Squid Game in real life. If I for any reason eat food in the next 30 days, Chris, you get to shave my head. No. We just hit 100 million subscribers, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you everyone that subscribed. I rented a $1 million a night hotel room. I spent $2.5 million on this private jet and had 11 YouTubers put their hands on it. We just landed in Antarctica and we're gonna survive the next 50 hours here. 200 million people see the world like this. But I just made it one left. Behind me is an assassin! And if he stabs me with this rubber knife by the end of the day, he wins 100 grand. Here's your rubber knife, good luck. We're gonna fly on this jet that costs $500,000 per flight. Behind me are 100 people, and they range from the age 1 all the way through age 100. I just bought this train, and it is currently barreling full speed towards that giant pit over there. We are now stranded on a raft in the middle of the ocean. And there goes our boat. We are now stranded for 7 days.
How much longer?
7 days.
Frick.
Behind me are the most expensive cars in the world. And whichever one of these 10 contestants survives the longest wins 250 grand. I just bought this entire grocery store, which includes enough food to literally feed an entire city. In this video, we're gonna help over 100 different stray dogs find a loving home.
I'm just gonna let you know, I'm not afraid of anything.
We'll see.
You cannot scare me.
Seal them up! We're now stranded on this deserted island in the middle of the ocean, and we're gonna be stranded here for the next 7 days. I just started this 10-minute timer, and when it hits 0, that room all the way over there full of money will explode. These 2 guys have never met each other in their entire lives. Come on! Come on! Never before seen in YouTube history. 1 billion subscribers worth of YouTubers are competing for $1 million.